Can she see me?
Yeah.
I don't want her to see me. I want her to hear.
She can hear you.
מישל, זה לא אדום לשמש?
I want her to hear me.
She's gonna hear you. No, she can't see you now. I'm gonna press this button. Now she can just hear you.
Kozaleva Penima Evesheru Sophia Ubate Mizra Kadima Arzion Sophia Oda Tifaktenu Hatikva Bashnu Habai Niotaroshi Peatsin Eretzion Yerushalayim Niotaroshi Peatsin Eretzion Yerushalayim.
Yay! What a big boy! Oh, I'm so proud of you. Can you say hello, Ahuva Moshe and everybody?
No.
Say hello, Ahuva Moshe.
Where? I want to see. I want to see.
There's nothing to see. They're not there. Say hello,
Hello,
everybody.
everybody.
Say I saw the pictures of your family. It was such a nice picture. I enjoyed it. Did you like seeing Adele and Odia and all the kids?
Yes.
Yeah, it was nice. Those were nice pictures,
Yeah.
huh? And then here's Lena. Lena, say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
I love you.
I love you. You look so smart.
Say we're gonna watch some TV now
We're gonna watch some TV.
before we go to bed.
I know you can come up to bed.
Okay, say Laila Tov.
Later.
Sammy, say Laila Tov.
Later.